The freshly cut wooden sticks are arranged on metal drying trays. And transferred into a controlled drying chamber. Inside the chamber, temperature and humidity remain constant, as calibrated heaters and airflow systems remove moisture evenly from every stick. After the programmed drying cycle is complete, the trays exit the chamber. And robotic arms unload the sticks onto the next conveyor. Each stick leaves the process with uniform dryness, ready for the sorting stage. Process begins. From chaos, a search for form. The mass is rendered individual. Each must now be measured. Every dimension is questioned. Perfection is a mathematical truth. There is no failure, only different paths. Form is validated. Purpose awaits. The aligned wooden sticks enter a fully enclosed dipping unit, designed for ignition paste application. A precision conveyor positions each row of sticks at a fixed distance. Robotic dipping bars lower the stick tips into the ignition compound with uniform depth and timing. Excess material drains evenly through controlled airflow channels inside the chamber.
The coated tips move toward a calibrated drying tunnel,
where temperature and ventilation maintain a consistent curing process, forming identical ignition heads on every single stick. In a world of flawless uniformity, 734 carried a secret imperfection, a tiny fissure that defied the machine.
The system demands uniformity. 1 billion bodies, one purpose. Each must be a perfect copy. It was here, in the searing heat of the paraffin bath, that the true nature of Stick 734 But nature does not deal in copies. It deals in variations, an invisible scar. The system have a word for variation: defect. It must now face the cold. The trial is not to expose the flaw. It is to see if it can be integrated. To make the weakness the core. Uniformity is restored, but it is not the same. It is now ready. Rhythmic process, the massive plate descends, ensuring flawless execution every single time.
printed cardboard sheets enter a precision die-cutting press, operating at a fixed cycle. The press cuts the outer robotic arms transfer each cut piece to the automated folding unit. Mechanical guides fold the cardboard along programmed lines, while adhesive rollers apply a uniform layer of industrial glue. The forming module shapes the shells and trays with synchronized motions, producing consistently structured matchboxes that move smoothly to the next stage. Formed matchbox shells travel along a conveyor. They move into the striking surface coating system. A calibrated roller applies the friction compound. A sensor-guided system ensures precise placement. It uses constant pressure and alignment. The coating is placed right along the box edge. The coated boxes enter a controlled drying tunnel. Steady airflow and temperature cure the layer.
The friction layer is cured evenly.
Each box exits with a fully set surface. A uniform striking surface, ready for filling.
In a world of imperfections, we strive for the absolute. A flawless product, untouched by human hands. Imperfection cannot exist here. The raw material, once vulnerable, will soon know the precision of the machine. Outside these walls, there is only the chaos of the flawed human world. Here, we find the promise of perfection.
In our world, everything bleeds. Everything cracks, breaks. But here,
No hesitation, no doubt, only the task perfectly executed. A trial by fire. To cure the flaw, to make it permanent. With a heartbeat-like rhythm, the coated sleeves enter the drying tunnel, their final rite of passage.
kept for a single perfect moment.
Completed matchboxes move along the packaging conveyor toward the robotic sorting station. Automated arms gather the boxes into uniform bundles, moving them to the shrink-wrapping belt with mechanical grace.
And place them onto the shrink-wrapping belt.
The wrapping system applies controlled heat to seal each bundle evenly.
Finished bundles continue to the palletizing zone.
where robotic stackers arrange them into precise layers on standardized pallets.
The stacked pallets are secured with automated strapping units,
creating stable, transport-ready loads. Each pallet moves smoothly toward the warehouse stage.
It begins with a single point.
Separate. Defined. Defined. Incomplete.
Multiplicity seeks a pattern. My purpose is to provide it.
To give chaos a grammar. To build language from noise.
pressure creates form. Heat forges unity. What was many is now one, bound, sealed, strong.
Structure rises from repetition. A foundation, a wall, a hole.
Each piece finds its place. A legacy of pure order.
My work is never finished. I do not build for an end.
I build because it is my nature. I am the pattern. Forever.
New manifest received. 3 units. Initiating intake protocol.
Units scanned. Verified. Assigning storage vectors. Delta 7, Gamma 9, Epsilon 4. Vector Delta 7 complete. Vector Gamma 9 complete. Vector Epsilon 4 complete. System nominal. Outbound manifest complete. Awaiting carrier departure. Cycle complete. Awaiting input.